Okay, we're going to do an unboxing of some safety glasses that I picked up on. This is the Lift safety glasses model Eyes, protective sunglasses, black frame, polarized lens. So let's see what we got. Okay. First of all, it has a nice carrying bag, protective bag for the glasses. Now let's see here. Open them up. Ta-da! There we go. First thing I noticed is the handles. Handles are really nice and the frame is pretty flexible, so if you're doing construction or whatnot, you don't have to worry about the plastic being too hard, or it's possible you have breakage, and if you happen to stick them in your shirt pocket, or sometimes the guys and gals, they have the glasses, they store them in like on their shirt or in the pants, so it looks like the possibility of these breaking pretty easily is not going to happen. Looks like it's pretty flexible from the standpoint of the actual frames. The hasp, it's like they're very well made. A lot of flexibility there. They are polarized, so they're polarized, and they have the ANSI standards on it, UV protection. So it does have the ANSI standards on the box. I think this one here, let me see, yeah, right there. So you have your ANSI standards for the actual glasses, so it meets all the different safety standards. And one thing I noticed about the nose guard is it had these little slats in it, and I think that these slats are to help drain any type of sweat that may come off the nose. Just think that if you didn't have those slats in there, you would have a situation where the glasses may slip on your nose, on the nose bridge. But this nose bridge, like, it has those slats in it in order to help with some of the drainage and of any sweat that may come down off the nose, so the glasses won't slip. And the rubber that it's made of is pretty soft and pretty pliable, so it's not like really hard rubber where it'll be irritating. So all in all, these glasses look like they're very well made and will be very comfortable in the work situation. And as I mentioned, the cloth doubles as a cleaning cloth. This bag, it serves as an actual cleaning cloth also, the way that it's made and the material that it's made out of to help keep your glasses clean. So your Lift Eyes model safety polarized safety glasses. Looks like it's a really good buy and very functional from a contractor's or a DIYer's perspective. Lift safety